guess we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but
welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a updo hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it.
I don't like to brag on what I do.
For this ponytail hairstyle, I'll be using the Youngster pre-stretch braiding hair, but guys, with this hairstyle you can use any braid you choose. I'll use an elastic band to hold the hair together. I am using the elastic band to wrap around my ponytail. We're going to section the braid in two and twist each section of the braid, and you can twist the hair as loosely or tightly as you choose. You can also go ahead and plait the hair if that's your desired look.
To calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my seconds for thing. Don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check, I got a big ego, such a huge ego.
When you're finished twisting, you use an elastic band to hold the ends of the braid. Then you go ahead and do the same thing to this section of the hair, guys.
Before I start to spill, you build the bear. You acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did, so you better stop playing with me.
Now that we're finished twisting each section of the braid, we're going to take the first braid and make a half circle around the ponytail. Then we use a bobby pin to secure the end of the braid. We're going to take the second braid and cover the middle of the first braid. Don't forget to use a bobby pin or hairpin to secure the ends of the hair.
They say that we won't win, yeah. Girl, I know I love you.
Now you have the option of shaping the hair to your own liking. I'll go ahead and loosen the twist.
Love is going big, yeah. Guess we're underrated. The haters keep on hating, but we're ready for this.
I purchased this ponytail from Amazon a while back, guys, and it's one of those long sleek ponytail. So I'll be using this for the back, and as you can see, this ponytail, it has two combs, one at the back and one at the front, and it also has a drawstring, and this ponytail is about 29 inches.
I see them crowding in, yeah.
Place the ponytail over your hair and secure both combs, then you adjust the drawstring. You can also go ahead and add some bobby pins or hairpin to make sure it's well secured. Now I'm taking the mousse to try to get rid of these flyaways from the ponytail.
Your dad hates to hear my
am using the Style Factor Edge Booster to lay my stubborn edges, guys.
Family won't support us. It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit them one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done.
Here we have it, guys, the finished look. What do you all think of this updo hairstyle? Comment down below, guys, and let me know what you think. If you like this video, leave your girl a thumbs up and share this video. You know, guys, I do appreciate you all for watching. So until next time, bye.
Let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive, 'cause we're about to win. My heart's been training for all these years. I've come too far to lose. We